Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. A very beautiful color here. A very different deep maroon and brown mixed shade with prints which is very different here. Done using dark maroon, blue and half white color. And we have border design also given in both sides. The blouse piece here is running with the border design running in the blouse piece also. Pallu is also here in the same color with very beautiful prints in the pallu. Vertically printed, and we also have zari lines which is given vertically. Excellent saree, very different one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very different maroon with light pink shade color saree with all over printed design. Very elegant floral pattern done using blue and half white color. And we have same color blouse piece with a running concept, and we also have zari lines, zari borders and block printed border. And we have beautiful pallu with very beautiful zari lines running vertically. The block printing is also done vertically here. Different saree, beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a deep chocolate brown color saree with beautiful pallu. The pallu have zari lines and vertical lines, very elegantly block printed. Same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece. One side of the blouse piece we have the horizontal lines which can be used for the sleeves or any patterns. The body here is beautiful dark chocolate brown with a twig pattern printed. Half white is the only color used for printing here. The down part we have a floral design, and the upper part we have the horizontal lines. Beautiful saree, simple and very elegant, attractive one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have beautiful burgundy shade, a deep choco brown color saree with light olive green color used for the prints. Temple design printed, 2 at a row in the bottom, and top we have only ones. Same color plain blouse piece, and we have the pallu also in the running color with prints as well as zari lines. Beautiful saree. Combination is very simple and beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful yellow saree, very attractive, bright yellow. With top and bottom we have floral design printed on the base of deep blue. It's an ink blue color. The borders of the saree is in antique finish with black base, and the saree blouse piece is also black here, complete black. The pallu here is multicolored, beautiful colors, and we have zari lines. Excellent concept saree, very different one. Combination is ultimate with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a brown shade, brown and light peach mixed color saree with very elegant butta designs printed in the body. It's a leaf pattern. Top and bottom we have zigzag lines design printed using blue and half white, and we have plain blouse piece with one side border design printed. Mango and blue color is used for the printing, blue and half white, and the pallu also have the prints as well as the zari lines vertically. Excellent saree in a beautiful different color with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful light gold shade, almost light mustard yellow, with all over printing design done using half white and brown color. Border design is also given. And the blouse piece here is plain with both sides zari borders. The pallu of the saree is very elegantly done using the same border design printed vertically, and we have vertical zari lines. Beautiful saree, is shuttle color, very elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. A very elegant, beautiful blue, something between indigo blue and royal blue shade with mango design printed. Very different mango, brown, black and white used in the mango, and temple border is given on both sides using a brown shade. A running color blouse piece with one side the temple design given, and we have a beautiful pallu with both vertical zari lines and block prints in the vertical way. Excellent saree, the color of the saree and design is very different with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A very beautiful saree, deep beetroot color pink, a very elegant one with all over printed design. The body have very elegant printing. Top portion is completely printed, and the lower half is having a print only in the leg portion only in the lower half near the border, and we have same color plain blouse piece. The pallu of the saree is also in the same color with the prints given vertically, and we have zari lines also. Excellent saree, different pattern with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A beautiful Ananda blue saree with very elegant temple design borders in both sides and all over floral design printed. Royal blue and half white color used for printing. Grey is also given, and plain blouse piece with one side temple borders given in the blouse piece also, which can be used for some patterns or sleeves. And we have same color pallu with block printed design vertically done and along with the zari lines. Excellent saree in different and beautiful color with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, and it comes with a very beautiful soft fabric, completely floral printed in the saree, done using brown, blue and white color, and we have a border design also, which is a floral one. And the blouse piece here is running with one side the printed border, and the pallu is also having very elegant prints, which is done vertically, same border design printed, and we have the zari lines vertically done. Different saree, the color of the saree is very different with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A very beautiful vertically colored saree here, red and black is given with fully the inverted triangle design printed, and we have a beautiful actually it is a straight triangle, and we have a blouse piece that is black in color with contrast borders. The blouse piece and pallu is black with maroon given for the red given for the base of the zari lines. Excellent saree. After draping, this will give a beautiful look with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A very beautiful indigo blue saree with prints, small prints all over, done using half white color. We have beautiful border designs, a floral design done using black and half white. And the blouse piece of the saree is running with one side the printed design, the borders running in the pallu also, blouse piece as well. The blouse piece and the pallu is also in the same color with vertical zari lines and vertical block printed design. Beautiful saree in excellent color, it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful onion peel shade pink saree with beautiful prints in the body, very different one with border design, and the lower half we have the floral design printed. Brown, half white and blue are used for the prints, and we have plain blouse piece with one side the border design in the blouse piece also, running concept blouse piece, and the pallu here have both zari lines as well as block prints, which is given in the borders. Excellent saree, the color is very elegant with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A beautiful blue saree here, a very elegant indigo and royal blue, something between both color, and we have the rama green color used for the prints, cream and rama green. Beautiful body with a very contrast pallu. The pallu have cream, half white color and blue with zari lines and block prints in the pallu, and we have a very contrast half white color blouse piece. Beautiful blouse piece, very different one with both sides zari borders. The complete saree is having zari border with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful light sandal color, something between cream and sandal, very elegant color base with beautiful prints. It is a tribal pattern with elephants design indirectly being given with the blouse piece that is also in the same running color, the border design also done. Brown is used for the printing, and we have pallu, which is also having very elegant prints and zari lines, tree design as well as a beautiful design given. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark.